Pro versus
high schoolers!
If any of you guys can beat me, you'll get prizes all the way from $10 rackets to $300 rackets to $1,000 rackets signed by Mathias and Hendra Setiawan.
Yes!
Let's go. Match number 1.
Keep watching as these high schoolers gave it everything they had to try and beat. We started with a 2v2, then a 3v2, and eventually an absolutely insane 8v2.
Isn't this gonna be a safety hazard?
I don't, actually, maybe.
But could they actually beat me?
Okay, our first challenges are...
Zabdiel?
That's a cool name. And?
Brendan.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 3, how good are you guys?
-1.
-1?
Let's say like a 2.
Interesting
Max.
combination. Yep. All right, let's do it. If you guys win, you get prizes. Ugh. Ooh. Oh my God. Choo! Let's go. Nice. What the? Out. Out. Whoa. Wow. Commitment, commitment.
These high schoolers had an incredible spirit and a serious ambition to win. Despite being so young, they were fully committed to every shot, weren't afraid to move, and gave it everything they had on the court.
Ooh. Thank you, but no thank you.
Good job, guys.
Right.
I'm Eva.
Eva?
And I'm Sophia.
And together you two are?
Sophia.
Okay, what's your strategy to beat us?
Hit it over the net.
Oh, all right, let's do it. Oi. Here, you play.
For those wondering, this is the high school team's coach substituting for Franklin, who is late,
You
as
play.
always.
You, go. I want you to play more. It's inside. Since this is your last round here, you gotta use all your energy. You have to hit more than 70% of the shots. Okay, ready? Oh. Go. You. Nice. Look at you. Okay. Oh, that's crazy. Ready? Thank you. Franklin, what are you doing, man?
30-minute drive? It took me an hour. Yo.
Okay,
What's up?
if we lose, I have to give out rackets.
Pay me $10 to throw. How many guys over there?
Oh, I can try to throw, but I'm still gonna carry you. Let's see how bad you can really throw. What are your names?
I'm Kyle. I'm Ethan.
And together you guys are?
Unstoppable.
Okay. Yeah. Oh.
Nope.
Oh. What the heck? Out. Thank you.
Up until now, despite being good players for their age, there wasn't much competition, till the duel that claimed they were the strongest arrived and things got interesting.
You guys are the strongest on this team?
Yeah, for sure.
If you guys are the strongest on the team, we'll play up to how much? You gonna play 11?
Let's play 21.
21?
Yeah.
No, save that for Ellen.
Yeah, sure.
Let's do 11.
We'll save it
11?
for someone
11?
else. Yeah.
Okay, there's someone better?
Who is this someone they are talking about? Is this someone I should worry about?
Oh. Oh, he's left-handed. Holy. Do I have a teammate? What's going on? Ah. Bro, what are you doing? You can't get that? Oh my god. Bruh. Match point. Okay.
To make things even more interesting, I decided to let them add a third person in their team.
All right, who do we got? Introduce yourself to this mic.
My name is Tristan. Austin.
And what's your team name?
Cougars.
Come on. Oh, thanks. What? Ooh. 5-1. What? Oh! I thought I had that. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Come on! Ooh. Good defense. Yeah. Ooh, good game, good game. All right, for the next round, you can have any amount of people on your team.
Any amount?
Any amount.
Isn't this gonna be a safety hazard?
I don't, actually, maybe. Okay, and to make it even harder for us, we can't smash.
You guys can't smash?
We can't smash. 11 points. Wait, if we lose, do we have to give them like 10 rackets here? Yeah! Dude, at least. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see how consistent you are. Oh! Dang. How does service work here? He doesn't need to smash it. We're gonna make everyone miss one. That's my goal. Okay, who hasn't missed yet? Let me see. Whose is that? Come on, don't die. Defense. How can that be mine? Ooh, who's? Oh. Other side. What the, oh, what was that? Wait, did you hit someone's racket? Yours! Oh. Don't risk it, Franklin. Gotta win this. Ugh. Oh, don't risk it. What? 8-10. Bro, don't risk it. Don't risk it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
And finally, the duel everyone was waiting for and
Time
hyping
for our
up.
strongest pair. What are your names?
Sean. I'm Alvin.
Are you guys better than Franklin?
I think so.
Okay, 21 points. You guys get 2 rackets if you beat us. You think you can beat us?
Maybe.
No way. All right. Let's see.
So we think that they're a bit old, and I guess we're gonna play some women's double style, just controlling them.
Okay, if they can beat us, I'll give away 4 rackets. And yeah, 4 rackets.
Is this finally going to be the match where I lose? Yup, I'm losing this match because of
Is that the $10? Out! Outside! Outside, outside! Out. Don't rush, Franklin, don't rush. Out. Two. You. You. Out. Out. 9-2. Oh, gave it up.
I think you guys are missing the big smash. Try to hit down more. Off the server turn, you're hitting upwards. So then we're trying to do some drives downwards, some nets, and yeah, just try to be on the attack more. All right, let's go.
Not sure if that was good advice. What is this? What is that? Okay, okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice. Get it, Franklin. Need me. Oh. What are you doing, man? Like, if we're gonna win it, just win it. 6-17. That's the highlights. Put that at the beginning, editor. Thank you.
To make things even more interesting, I decided to switch teams and play another match.
Where we switch partners, 11 points. Okay, who and who?
This time, I want to find out who was actually the weak link, me or Franklin.
You. Ah, sorry. Ooh. Sorry. You, stay. Good shot. Oh no! Okay, we need some strategy. Don't smash so much. I'll try to hit more taps. Even come up to the net, like hit taps instead of pushing everything.
I'll just play women's doubles.
Just try to like open up more instead of just hitting fast. Okay. Nice. Yes. Okay. Stay. Oh, I am the weak link. Okay. Thank you. Okay, there's $10 rackets all the way to the sign rackets. You guys gotta say at the same time when I say 3, 2, 1. Ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. 4. Well, not bad. Nuclear 78. Actually, you guys can all have some grips. Oh,
Raining grips.
it's raining grips.